In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a caption to a photo in Constant Contact. To get started, open the email you want to edit in the Constant Contact editor. This is the workspace where you can build your layout, insert images, and adjust text. Take a moment to confirm you are in the editing view of the email itself, since captions are added inside the content blocks of your template. Next, look to the left-hand panel. Here, click the Tools tab or the Build tab, depending on what your account shows. Both options lead you to the area where you can add new content and layout elements to your email. The left panel is where you will find the blocks you can drag into place. Now, locate the Image plus Text Layout block under the Layout section. This specific block is important because it pairs an image area with a text area, making it ideal for adding a caption. A caption in Constant Contact is simply text that sits directly below or beside the image within the same block. So using the right layout helps keep everything aligned and easy to read. Once you find the Image plus Text block, drag and drop it into your email template. Place it in the spot where you want the photo and caption to appear. If you are aiming for a clean design, try to position it near related content so the caption clearly explains the image. After the block is in your template, click Replace on the image placeholder. This is where you will add your photo. Choose the image you want to use so it appears inside the block. Make sure the photo looks correct in the space provided, since the layout of the block will influence how the image and text sit together. Finally, click into the text area directly below or beside the photo and type your caption. Keep the caption brief and clear, and make sure it matches the message of your email. You can also read it back to confirm it sounds natural and fits the tone of the rest of your content. And that covers everything you need to know.